Hello would-be librarians, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will continue our discussion of the UGC NET June 2025 Library Science paper. Today I will be covering question number 51 to 55 with detailed explanation in simple and clear language. If you haven't watched my previous videos, do check them out. Links are given in the description box below. So let's begin. Question number 51 asks us to arrange the following acts in chronological order. The correct answer is option number 3. According to which Indian Treasure Trove Act was the oldest act which was formed. After that, Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act was formulated. Then Antiquities and Art Treasures Act was formed. After that, Public Records Act was formulated, and RTI was the last one to formulate. Let's understand these acts in simple word. First is Indian Treasure Trove Act. It was formed in 1878, which deals with hidden treasures and protects ancient objects. Next is Monuments Act, which was formed in 1958 to preserve ancient monuments and archaeological sites. Next is Antiquities Act, which was formed in 1972 to prevent illegal export or sale of historical items. Public Records Act was formed in 1993 to ensure proper management, preservation and access to public records of government offices. RTI, that is Right to Information Act, was formed in 2005, which gives citizens the right to access public information. Question number 52 is sequence the actions for implementing a virtual reference service in a special library. The steps given are train the staff, launch service portal, identify user needs, monitor and improve service, select virtual reference software. The correct answer is option number 1, according to which correct sequence is first identify user needs, then select software, then train staff, launch service, and then monitor and improve. To implement virtual reference service, first we have to understand what your users want. Then choose the right software like LibAnswers or Zoho Desk. Then train your staff to handle online queries. Fourth step is launch the service portal and promote it. And finally, monitor feedback and improve the service. In question number 53, there are some events given which we have to arrange in chronological order. The correct answer is option number 2, according to which out of 5 given events, option number D was the first event. International Institute of Documentation changed to International Federation of Documentation. After that, first time ILA became the member of IFLA. Then comes option number A, that is Dr. S.R. Ranganathan was appointed as National Research Professor of Library Science. Then comes option number E, that is Online Europa Yearbook started. And last is option number C, SLib was acquired by MCB Group, the holding company for Emerald Group Publishing. IID, that is International Institute of Documentation, changed to IFLA, that is International Federation of Documentation, in 1931. It marked the evolution of international cooperation in documentation and information services. In 1953, ILA became a member of IFLA, connected India's library movement with global developments. And in 1962, Dr. S.R. Ranganathan appointed as National Research Professor of Library Science by Government of India. Online Europa Yearbook started in 2004. It provided digital access to comprehensive global reference data. And last is SLIB, that is Association of Information Management, was acquired by Emerald Group in 2010, which represents the merging of traditional information organizations with modern publishers. In question number 54, we have to arrange library and budgeting developments in chronological order. Items given are zero-based budgeting, MARC project, publication of DDC 23rd edition, typological study, and Brownie charging system. The correct answer is option number 4, according to which if we arrange it in chronological order, then starting of Brownie charging system was the first one. Then comes typological study towards mode of formation of subjects. After that, MARC project completed. Then zero-based budgeting system was introduced. And the last is DDC 23rd edition published. Brownie charging system was started in 1895 by Nina Brown. It was one of the earliest automated manual systems for book issue or return in libraries. Second is typological study towards mode of formation of subjects. It was introduced by S.R. Ranganathan in 1950. This concept classified subjects into basic, compound, complex, and aggregates based on mode of formation. Third is MARC project. It was completed in 1968. MARC stands for Machine Readable Cataloging. It was developed by Library of Congress, USA, to make bibliographic data readable by computers. Concept of zero-based budgeting was introduced by Peter A. Fire in 1970s, but it was introduced in India in 1983. According to this, every budget cycle starts from zero. Each expense must be justified anew. Last is DDC 23rd edition. DDC stands for Dewey Decimal Classification. It was introduced by Melville Dewey, but DDC 23rd edition was published in 2011. It was updated for digital and web-based subjects. In question number 55, we have to arrange internet protocols in order of their origin. Protocols given are TCP/IP, IP version 6, HTTP, FTP, and HTTPS. The correct order is FTP, then TCP/IP, after that HTTP, next is HTTPS, and last is IP version 6. FTP. It stands for File Transfer Protocol. It was developed by Abhay Bhushan in 1971. Its purpose is to transfer files between computers on a network. It was one of the earliest internet protocols still used for uploading or downloading files on servers. Next is TCP/IP. It stands for Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. It was developed in 1983 by Vint Cerf and Bob Kahn. TCP/IP is the standard communication protocol suite for connecting network devices on the internet. Third is HTTP. It stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It was developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. It transfers hypertext documents, that is web pages, across the World Wide Web. It also enabled the creation of websites and browsing using hyperlinks. Fourth is HTTPS. It stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. It was developed in 1994. It was the secure version of HTTP using encryption, SSL or TLS. It ensures secure communication between user and website used in online banking, e-commerce, etc. Last is IPv6. It stands for Internet Protocol version 6. It was developed by 1998. It is a next generation IP addressing system replacing IP version 4. It gave us more IP addresses for modern internet devices. That's all for today's video. I hope this detailed explanation helped you understand the concepts better. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more UGC NET Library Science updates. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Bye bye.